Okay, we're looking at algebraic fractions now. As soon as you see algebraic fractions, essentially they work like numerical fractions, okay? So if we're dividing two fractions here, then we're going to divide them exactly like we would numerical fractions. That's the first thing. The second thing is that as soon as you can factorise, do. All right, that's what I would say. So I'm going to factorise everything up here. So it's going to be 4x, x minus 2 over x minus 4x plus 2. All right, divided by, actually, well, no, I'll just factorise first, won't I? So that's going to be x minus 2 x minus 5. I'll try not to go into the other thing because I'm going to need all that. So x minus 1, x minus 4 over here. Right, now, when we divide fractions, we find the reciprocal, don't we, of the divisor. So here we go. Now, x minus 2. So I'm not doing, I haven't done anything particularly yet. I'm just doing this. There we go. Multiplied by x minus 1, x minus 4 over x minus 2, x minus 5. Now, when I was at school, I was taught to cancel common factors. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to get my green pen. I'm going to cancel some common factors. So that cancels with that. That cancels with that. And that's it, I think. Just check in. Yes, that looks about right. And so we essentially get, just check, oh no, what am I, oh no, that's fine. X minus 5, x minus 2, that looks fine to me. So, yeah, so then you can just multiply out. I'll go back to red. And I'm going to get 4 brackets x minus 1 over x plus 2, x minus 5. Now you can multiply out the brackets if you like, but you have no real need to if you don't want to. Okay, so that's the first one. Now the second one, change to blue. You need a common denominator, but I can factorise that first one. So I'm just going to, the first thing I'm going to do is just factorise. Minus 3 over. Now, the whole point of factorising is I'm going to get plus 3x minus 2. There you go. Now, I actually have a common factor on the both. So my common denominator, when we add or subtract fractions, we need a common denominator, don't we? Is just going to be x plus 3, x minus 2. Now, that means that what I've got to do here is I've got to do 5 and then x minus 2, because I haven't got the x minus 2 part on the original, but I have here. Okay, so I've got to make sure that that is included, minus 3. And then I can just multiply out the bracket. In fact, I probably would multiply out the bracket on this one because it will simplify. I'm going to get 5x minus 10 minus 6, so I'm going to get 5x. I haven't got much room. Minus 13. I'm not going to multiply out the brackets on the bottom though. If you do, it's not wrong, but it's just extra work, and you won't get any extra credit for it. So there you go. All right. So remember, algebraic fractions just work like numerical fractions ultimately. So there you go.